At the Arizona Children's Center, you'll find a talented, passionate, love what they do pediatric team dedicated to the care of children. Our healthcare system offers a wide range of pediatric services. We have a dedicated pediatric ED serving kids only. Located on the MIHS Medical Center campus, our goal is to have your child seen by a physician within 30 minutes, out of the emergency department and headed back home in less than 3 hours.
Our pediatric emergency department is a 19-bed emergency department, which is staffed with pediatric emergency medicine trained physicians 24/7. We also have general pediatricians that'll help us out during the busiest times of the year. We are associated with the Burn Center, and we are also a level 2 pediatric trauma center. Because we're a smaller facility, we have a very good level of communication with each other here. The fact that we are a safety net hospital and that we serve the population here, no matter where they're from, no matter what their insurance status is, we treat them all the same. We really do have the ability to offer care to children.
If your child needs to be admitted to the hospital, Maricopa Medical Center has a 30-bed inpatient pediatric floor and pediatric intensive care. So most importantly, our team focuses on a kid-friendly environment.
As a child life specialist, our goal is to help reduce the stress for kids that are here in the hospital. So we do that many ways. So we do a lot of incorporating play into our daily lives with the kids here, because that's really something that's normal for them and something that they can relate to. We do preparation before procedures. We do distraction during it. So all in all, we really want the kids to cope with the hospital, to make it more of a normal experience and to make it a positive experience for them. We can also teach them coping skills so that they can actually manage the hospital experience better.
Located at our Outpatient Comprehensive Healthcare Center and our 12 family health clinics across the valley, we offer primary care services for our healthy child checkups, as well as same-day sick visits when they aren't feeling well.
The Pediatric Clinic is located right next to the main hospital in the Comprehensive Health Center. We have kids that come in that are extremely sick. We have kids that come in healthy and need vaccines, and we try to facilitate whatever their needs are for the day. We have an Adolescent Clinic that specializes just for teens. So it's a place where they feel comfortable and they can talk about their issues and concerns. We have a Refugee Clinic where we serve a vast population of refugees that we have in Arizona. Our cultural health navigators, they bridge the gap for our families that have language barriers. Our translation services department actually services about 50 different languages. The other great benefit of coming to the pediatric clinic is we have in-house social workers and care coordinators.
We currently have 8 pediatric specialty clinics within the pediatric clinic here at MIHS. Pediatric cardiology, so we're seeing patients that have different heart murmurs or heart conditions. For pediatric neurology, we see a lot of patients that have different seizure disorders, things such as migraines or headache. For pediatric genetics, we have people that come in with different genetic anomalies for different DNA and lab testing. And for pediatric pulmonary, we have our asthmatics that we primarily see in different lung disorders. Pediatric endocrinology, so type 1, type 2 diabetics. Pediatric infectious disease is a very acute specialty here. We actually have one of the only pediatric infectious disease outpatient specialists in our valley area, so it's very high in demand. For pediatric gastroenterology, we have patients come in for different things such as liver evaluations for liver disorders, constipation, different food allergies. Pediatric Renal is a specialty that we started back up here within the last month, and that provider sees anywhere from things such as disease process called hematuria, so blood in the urine, different kidney disorders or disease processes. When patients and their families come to our pediatric specialty clinic here, they're going to encounter the best care that they are from the time that they step in, the greeting of the smile with our medical assistants and our registered nurses, to the time that they're going to meet their physicians.
We are proud to deliver health care to children in our community for the past 50 years. To learn more about Arizona Children's Center, please check us out at mihs.org.